Here we go, cooking again. Pork chops, butterfly type. Again, I got the Korean bulgogi sauce, and I'm going to use it on this just because I want to use it up. And it should work on pork very well. Let's see if I can get it down in between. There we go. Oh yeah. Put a little bit more on there. Okay. So this goes back in the fridge. I'll get one more meal out of that. And we're going to mix it around and let it absorb up in there. A little bit marinade. Okay? Now next, after I clean up. Now it is time to be shocked again. Another foil pack, potatoes. I knew it. So yay. Just gonna do garlic powder. Creole seasoning. I have many favorite things, and I really like Creole seasoning on potatoes. Again. Oh man, that's a lot of Creole seasoning. I thought I had it closed. I did not. And I use the non-stick aluminum foil and the oils just to help it out. But usually these potatoes don't stick too bad in here. Next grocery run is gonna need some more olive oil. There we go. All right. I really do love this Char-Broil Grill to Go grill, and I'm gonna do a 1-year review real soon. Yeah, we're gonna light. There we go. Potatoes. Close. Again, that's a pretty darn good place to be cooking this way. Don't need a steady cam. Life bounces. I do need to get a gimbal one of these days. Those potatoes are burgling along. And we got one pork chop. 2 pork chop. Woo! I think those are gonna be good. And when people ask, how long do you cook them? I don't know, till they're done. Alright. Because I have a propensity not to want to burn things, I flip a lot. Oh, look at that. I know how to use a grill. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go, Tuber Nation. Alright, potatoes. Awesome. Oh, I like my Creole seasoning on those. Pork chop. Pretty darn good. Let's do a taste. Really, really good with that bulgogi sauce. Let's do a flyover. I'm gonna eat that sucker. I look good. Have a great and wonderful day. Oh, bonus! I got applesauce, and I got blueberry applesauce with pork chops. Applesauce works. Trust me, it's, you know, the things. They taste good. All right, now you get to have a great and wonderful day while I eat.